Maybe I'll start walking back now. I've just been kind of roaming around just so the people watching can see what's happening. From Malta, from Tokyo, people watching from all around the world.
Yes.
Nasa biyahe na kami ngayon. 8 magkakasama papunta sa Dahig. Simula na ng aming adventure.
I see. Sabi ko kaya ka nang ako kapuan ko si Kulay. Kaya si John lalaki yung sumibigyan. So may nakita siya ba?
Finally, nakarating na rin kami sa aming Airbnb. Dito muna kami magpapahinga ng isang gabi. Ito yung kwarto ng aming mga kasamahan. Ito naman yung kusina. Ito yung kanilang mesa. Ang haba at ang ganda. At dito naman, 3 kaming matutulog dito. Ito yung bed ko. Ito naman sa kabila, pero walang matutulog dyan. Ito yung bathroom. Ang ganda. Balik tayo saglit dito sa kusina. Dito pwede kang magluto. Ang ganda nitong Airbnb na to. Nagustuhan namin. Ito yung storage room nila. Oops, wala naman palang laman. Dress nila. Ano? Kumain muna kami ng hapunan kahit late na kaming dumating. At sabay kwentuhan na rin.
Hoy, hoy!
So it's break time habang nagpapagasolina kami.
Ang vlogger. Basta ka pan-out. At di ba ka mangahulog yung mga
Banat mga laag. Galaagang. Galaagang.
biyak na ko ano niya kaya ako alam niya sila kung nagamit. Kalimot na kung hindi ka sa pagpemiro ba?
Nine dangge. No money. Sa wakas, dumating na rin kami dito sa The Hague at nakausap namin ang isa pang famous na YouTuber na si Malcolm Conlon.
Maybe I'll start walking back now. I've just been kind of roaming around just so the people watching can see what's happening from Malta, from Tokyo, people watching from all around the world.
Yes, your followers, right?
Yeah, kind of.
And do you know where's the Alvin?
Alvin's there. It's
there.
30th Street. Yeah, okay.
Duterte Street daw.
Okay. Your family is also here?
No. My wife's working and yeah, my kids are watching their doing. So,
I also always watching your
I really
Videos, yeah.
somebody said, okay, so actually my battery's going to run out. So I appreciate you broadcasting and giving us an update. I'm just going to quickly have one more look and then my battery will run out.